Right, so there's an existing Neo Hub at the property. If it's been used before, which this looks like it has, when you disconnect all your old devices and everything, it's going to show that nothing's connected like this. Yeah, so it says there, all devices offline. So that suggests that there's been previous devices connected to it, and it's already labeled up home there as a location. So that suggests that this has already been set up previously. So if you're going to be reusing an existing hub and adding all your new devices, which I haven't done yet, to the system, then you're going to have to wipe the hub. Otherwise, these devices won't pair to a hub that's already got the old devices connected to it. They'll just never pair when you're trying to do it. You'll never find it. So I'm probably going to add a location, and we're going to start again. And then once I've set it up, I'll delete the old home app. So so there's the hub. So you've got your power and your wired connection there. So you need to push and hold the button on this for 10 seconds. There you go. That power light went off then. The link light just flashed once. There you go, status light. It's gone off now, there we go. So yeah, you push and hold the button for 10 seconds and then the indicators go off. So that's factory reset now, so we can add the hub to the app and then we can start adding the accessories to it. Okay, so I'm going to remove this. So if your current hub is in the auto login location, you want to just put the X button there to move it to other locations, and then it brings this other bar up, 3 bars on the right hand side there. You slide that across, and then we can push delete location. Yeah, so we've cleared that hub now, and we've factory reset the hub too. So we're going to add a location. Press the button once. Okay. So Neo Hub found. So we'll just call that home for now. Finish. Okay, so we factory reset the hub and then we've deleted the old programming off and re-added it again. So now if we go to home, we can add zones or accessories.